Hey you. So, you know how people talk about personality types, like the Myers-Briggs stuff? MBTI is one of the most popular personality type tests, and I think it's really interesting to know more about one of the rarest personality type out there, which is INFJ, the unicorn of personality types. If you're trying to figure out if someone's an INFJ, here are some things to look for. INFJs are always in our heads. We think about life's big questions like what's the meaning of it all, or how we can change the world for the better. We're kind of idealistic, always dreaming about a better future. So if someone is always dreaming and talking about big stuff, big dreams, or the world needing to be better, it might be an INFJ thing. We can feel people very well. It's like really feel people. We are ridiculously empathetic and can tell if someone's off even if no one says a word. We're the friend who just knows when you're having a rough day. You will notice us listening with our whole heart, offering support even without needing to be asked. Even though we care so much about people, we don't easily open up. We are very private, and people often find us kind of mysterious because we keep a lot of our inner world to ourselves. We're very private and a bit mysterious to some people. So if we are quiet about our personal life, or you feel like there's more to us than meets the eye, it could be an INFJ thing. We love being creative. We need outlets to be creative, to put out creativity so that we can feel fulfilled somehow. Whether it's in art, writing, ASMR, or coming up with wild new ideas, we always try to think outside the box. If we're always coming up with fresh new projects, or you think we have a unique way of looking at things, it might be an INFJ trait. We are big on morals and values. We stick to what we believe in, even if it's not the most popular opinion. But that doesn't mean that we don't listen to your opinions. We still keep an open mind, but if we're very passionate about something, although we're listening to your opinions, we also hope that you will be able to accept our own opinions because they mean so much to us, and being authentic is key for us. So if we're always staying true to ourselves and you can tell we're really passionate about our beliefs, chances are that someone is an INFJ. We loathe small talks. We'd rather talk about philosophy or deep personal stuff. We really want to get to know you. We're interested in the things that you like, the things that you do, and we don't want to just talk about the things that don't really have meaning. And that's why if we keep avoiding surface level chit chat and we would just want to dive deep into conversations, then it's a big hint of an INFJ. as much as we care about others, we need a lot of alone time to think and process everything. Too much socializing drains us, really. And if we disappear for a bit after hanging out, it's probably because we're recharging our batteries. We don't just rely on what's in front of us because we're intuitive. We're not super facts driven. We're always thinking about the big picture, the future possibilities, and also some patterns that we see. We see things that others might miss. So if we're always dreaming about what could be rather than what is, it's definitely an INFJ's intuitive vibe. We believe in helping people. We just want to help others, whether it's through our job, volunteering, or just being a good friend. We really want to make the world a better place just by inserting some small differences and contributions into daily lives. You will see us putting our energy into causes or helping others in ways that just feel right to us. Well, even though we're chill on the outside, we can be so quiet around people. We've got this inner intensity in us. It's like we've got this calm intensity within us. And there is always something deep going on in our minds, especially when we're passionate about something. If someone's got this quiet energy, but when we talk, we can go on for hours analyzing and dissecting any deep thoughts, it's definitely an INFJ thing. So yeah, if you meet someone who's kind of like this, there's a good chance that they are INFJ. Although INFJs are rare, once you recognize the signs, it's pretty obvious to notice us. I'm Cha, and if you're an INFJ like me, you know just how unique and sometimes challenging our world can be. Do you also crave quiet environments to recharge, reflect, and relax? Well, whether it's navigating relationships, setting boundaries, making sense of our very complex emotions, or just trying to find a safe space, it can feel like a lot sometimes. But hey, we're in this together. So grab a comfy spot and consider subscribing. Let's share our experiences and be here for one another.